Hey everybody, I'm OneManOneCamera, and today we're in front of the Las Vegas Raiders HQ, and let's check things out and see how things are going. All right, today is October 14th, about 1 in the afternoon or so, maybe 12:30. It's about 75 degrees, not too hot. It's a great day to be out. Let's check things out. Let's see what's happening. Okay, now as we can see, it looks like it's a noisy area. There is glass going up along the wall. It's that standard tinted, it's that tinted glass to keep the sunshine out and block out all those harsh, biggest UV rays. And there is the indoor football field housing. Once again, that high roof, it must be there for the punters to practice their punts and get their hang time at the appropriate level. This portion will be the office complex. Now, I read somewhere, I believe there'll be a cafeteria in there. That is a little better. Well, I'll probably crack out my longer zoom lens in a bit. What can we see on the inside? We've got cherry pickers. I call them cherry pickers. There's one chap in there working away. And just to recap, this facility will have 3 outdoor fields, which are over here, but I don't have a drone, so I can't see them. But they're over in this area right here. And this indoor field is a football field and a half in length, I believe. I don't have the height of the ceiling, but it should provide enough, hopefully, enough space for the punters to crack those babies off. Now it is more difficult to see inside as they've installed a lot of glass. I think we can almost, hey, wait a minute. I see a gentleman through the glass. Oh, where's he going? But anyway, as I was saying, it is more difficult to see things because they have installed the more of the glass, so the interior shots will decrease accordingly. Oh, there he is. I didn't know it's that guy. Check him out. Once again, this is a $100 million facility which will house the corporate offices, or the corporate office of the Las Vegas Raiders. What's that box up there? There we go. Some activity right there. As this building gets closer and closer to completion date, the videos produced by myself will probably be less and less exciting because we won't be able to see anything, actually, you know? So it is unfortunate, but hey, progress. Let me see what this guy doing down here. All right, let's change locations. Okay, so we moved almost directly in front of the front entrance to see what's going on, and there are some areas with no glass, so it's very easy to see. Well, not easy. Well, it's not difficult to see inside of the building. See the guys working hard. All right, let's see what's going on. What's this guy doing? Looks like what's he doing? I wish there was some welding going on, because welding sparks are always nice to see. Oh, hey, look way back in there. It's funny, whenever you film something and then you check the footage, you always see things that you did not notice the first time. Here are some stairs going up. Second floor. I wonder if they have a corresponding set there. Yes, they do. Stairs going to also the second floor. Now, I've probably seen these before and probably mentioned it before, but I forget stuff, okay, you guys? I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, and there's our ubiquitous outhouses. All right. This is the face of the place, so I imagine there'll be a Oakland Raiders HQ logo right on top in that area where the yellow is. It's gonna be nice and obvious. And I'm guessing this place does not have any elevators at the moment. Unlike the stadium where you have to go pretty high, there are some outside elevators. But here, I think the guy is just gonna hoof it. Here you go, look at up, 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 up. All right. Okay, this is a straight shot into the front of the building. Let's try to zoom in and see if we can see anything good in here. I see a truck. I see somebody moving in the background. Okay, we zoomed in a bit more. Let's see, it's down this hallway. Some boxes. And a snorkel, okay. Okay. Here are those stairs again. And the other symmetrical design. Oh, there's a shop right there. And the Joe box. What's going on in there? What is that? I can't really tell what that is. Oh, somebody walking, sorry. That was their reflective stripes. I thought it was a machine. Okay, on the north side of the facility, you can see they have the silver and black paint or coloring design on the side of the building. So it's black, white line to break it up, silver, white line to break it up, and then black again, and then another thicker white line to break it up. You know, it's going to be really snazzy when it's all completed. All right, this is a nicer shot. Let's see. Here is the front of the building. And we just pan, this is called panning, pan to the right. There's the black and silver, or silver and black. And presumably it will go the entire length of the indoor football field. Well, the indoor football field and a half. Looks pretty sweet. Okay, this is the back end of the Raiders HQ. I stopped again on St. Rose Parkway in between the HQ and the, swing around, the M Casino, not so far away. Now I usually stop over at the Arco for like a pit stop and a water stop. And here are some, in case you're wondering what's down here, here are some apartments over here called Revolution. Have no idea about them. And then from Revolution, you see there is like not much to see, not much to see, something right there. Not much, something right there. And then, boom, and there it is. There is the Raiders HQ. All right, you guys, thanks for watching again. Take care of yourselves, wherever you are.